Turning your engine, AJ676. Turning good, all compressions complete. At the front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage, no break, all nice. On the sides engines looks good, no damage, no brakes. Starter looks good, as you can see. Gearbox looks good, no damage, all nice. And on this side engines looks good, altimeter look as well, no damage, no brakes. Have computer engine with Hornet, and on the top, as you can see, all connectors looks good, no damage, no break, all nice. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage, all nice, all good. And turning your engine, AJ676.